Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. It's a lot going on. Yeah. Trying to keep up, but it's not working. But anyway, this is gonna be a different video than what you guys are normally used to. I want to show you guys a sneak peek of a day in my life, what I normally do day in, day out. I cannot post those content sometimes because it's so hard to focus on vlogging and getting the job done. So I'm going to show you a week in my life when I have events like this where I bake and all the work. So yeah, I have 45 cakes to bake. Yes, 45 cakes. Right? So yeah, I am a certified cake and pastry chef. Yes, I do customized cakes, and I also have our hair and skincare line, which is Zaire Organic, so you can get your authentic Jamaican black castor oil and your hair growth oils. So I have 45 cakes to bake. So today I'll do a couple things. So the event is for Friday, and today is Wednesday, and by the time I upload this video, which will be on Saturday, by the time I upload this video, the event done gone already. So I am going to be heading to the grocery store to get a few stuff for the event. So I need the ingredients, I need some packaging. I got a few stuff yesterday. um and I also need to grab a few things at the shipping company. I don't think those are related to the event on Friday, no. And I'm also going to show you guys how I prep for the bake day, because the bake day would be Thursday and today is Wednesday. So I'm going to be doing the grocery shopping. I'm tired of the talking no, but yeah, I'm just giving you guys a rundown. Right? So I'm going to prep the cookies. So I have chocolate chip cookies to bake. I also have cinnamon rolls with cream cheese icing, and I also have some cheesecakes to bake, mini cheesecakes. So yeah, those are weekly stuff that I supply. And it's a thing now because I never know that I would get so much support from my TikTok community. My TikTok community has been so great to me, and I really, 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 really love them. And I love how they support what I am doing. So if you have not followed me on TikTok, you can go and follow me at Tishanes. That's my TikTok name. I will put it on the screen somewhere here. Yeah, so I post a lot more on TikTok because those are short form videos and them easy to put together and easy to edit, right? Rather than the long form videos for YouTube. Those take a lot of time and a lot of editing, right? So I post more frequently on TikTok. Yeah, so you can check me over there. I'm mostly active on TikTok. So, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to go on the road, head to the shipping company, pick up the packages, and then I'll come back and prep the cookies. Yeah, and I will bake Thursday. So I won't prep anything for the cinnamon rolls and the cheesecake. So I'll do all of that on Thursday. So see you guys. Bye. And just as I was about to leave, the friendship place sent me these just to confirm. It's a sample to confirm the measurement. I made these labels just to go on um, the products. So I'm just going to check to ensure that the sizing is correct so that you can proceed with bulk printing. So this is for the cookies and the mini carrot cake. So I'm just going to check to ensure that the labels fit perfectly. So this is the label, and I also have the ingredient list for it as well. So I'm just going to check to ensure that everything fits. So right, it's at the center. So I'm just going to center it. Right. So everything fits perfectly. So it is our nutty carrot cake. So it's basically walnuts. Sometimes I'll change out the walnuts for almonds. And yeah, so this fits. So that's a plus. You can the place at? Jesus. Alright, so the label fit. That's how I want it. And I decided to put it at the end. So that's the ingredients. Right. So this. So that is good. That is that. So she can proceed. Alright, so at the supermarket, I'm going to grab a few stuff, and the main things I got at the supermarket was for the cheesecake and the cinnamon rolls. So I got some strawberry filling, some strawberry jam, and I also got some eggs because the guy that normally supply me with egg, I just could not get them, so I had to grab those at the supermarket. I also bought some digestive biscuit for the crust of the cheesecake, some baking flour for the cinnamon rolls, and I also bought the cheese, the cream cheese, which is the main ingredient for the cheesecake, right? And I don't really love the Anchor. For some reason, I don't love the Anchor. I love the Philadelphia cream cheese. It's so velvety. It is so. I just love the texture and the consistency and also the taste of using the Philadelphia as opposed to the Anchor. Comment below, guys, and let me know which one you prefer. And yes, these are the cookies, guys. I did think to them cookie a bingo. I think I made it have this, but I don't know what went wrong with the recipe. Because with baking, you have to be very specific and you have to be very carefully make a new batch. But life goes on, we make a new batch and we move on from there. And here we have the batter for the carrot walnut cakes, and then I grease the tin, pop them into the oven and allow them to bake, right? So it's a lot of baking, and you have to be consistent also with the taste and the flavor that you provide. So with the baking, you have to ensure that you cross your T and that your I and measure right down to the T, right? Right. So that was that for the cakes, and that was the Thursday, the day before. And here I was making about 21 cheesecakes. Yes, I made 21 cheesecakes. And let me tell you about these cheesecakes. It's been a while. I've been getting a lot of DM, a lot of messages on TikTok about these mini cakes. And guys, I got customers from near and far as in Clarendon. A lady purchased about 5 mini cheesecakes, and the lady said if you send them on Knutsford Express bus, and she will gladly accept them. So you know, say me did have to make one little mini refrigerator for her to send them down on Knutsford Express bus. So I had to ensure that the package was packed and it was okay, and it have a lot of cushion, cause you don't know how that go already. So I check up on her and ask if she received the package, and the lady say the way how she dive down in the cheesecake, not even a crumbs she not left in the in the pan. She said that she really enjoyed the cheesecake. And let me also tell you, see, sometimes I do the promotion for my business, and sometimes the product promotes itself, if you understand where I'm going. Because I also got another customer, and that customer purchased, that's the largest order I got from a customer. That customer purchased over 12 items. And the person said that she didn't saw my post on TikTok. How she get in contact with me is from a friend. So she said a friend recommend the page to her. And that's when she reached out to me and saw that I had a promotion going on, and she was interested, and she purchased these items. So she purchased cookies, she purchased carrot cakes, and she also purchased the cheesecakes because she was using them. She was planning on using them as gifts for some of her colleagues, and that's how she get in contact with me. And I was like, really? And she said yes. And she said, you know, all your customer them, and like, no, I don't. And I really appreciate that.